Hey everyone! Forget what you know about budget SUVs because the 2025 Dacia Bigster is about to flip the script on affordable family transportation. This isn't just another cheap crossover, it's the most interesting SUV you probably haven't heard about yet, and today I'm getting my first hands-on look. Let's start with what makes this Romanian newcomer special. While most affordable SUVs scream "I settled for less," the Bigster actually looks premium with its bold Y-shaped LED lights and confident stance. Standing 180 inches long, it's entering the battlefield against established players like the Volkswagen Tiguan and Kia Sportage, but at nearly 10 grand less, starting under 24,000 euros. The design hits all the right notes. Those chunky wheel arches and black cladding give it a rugged vibe that actually looks purposeful rather than cheap. And unlike some budget offerings that look melted in the sun, the Bigster has crisp lines and proper proportions that wouldn't look out of place with a German badge. Now let's talk powertrains, because Dacia is bringing some serious tech to this party. The headline act is their new hybrid system combining a 1.8-liter gas engine with two electric motors, pumping out 153 horsepower. What's really impressive is that it can cruise around town on pure electric juice for up to 80% of your urban driving. Not what you'd expect from a value brand, right? But here's the kicker. While the industry races to eliminate manual transmissions, Dacia is still offering a proper 6-speed stick shift. And yes, you can pair that with 4-wheel drive, making this one of the last affordable SUVs that lets you row your own gears while conquering light trails. For the commuter crowd, there's also a 138 horsepower mild hybrid option with front-wheel drive. Pop open the doors and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious interior. The Bigster boasts 667 liters of cargo space, more than you get in a Tiguan, and the rear seats split 40-20-40 for maximum flexibility. Sure, there are hard plastics, but everything feels built to last, and the design is clean and intuitive. Tech-wise, every model comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen with smartphone integration, and praise be, they've kept physical buttons for the climate controls. Higher trims add a 10-inch digital gauge cluster, wireless charging, and something really cool, a built-in console fridge. But the most innovative feature has to be the YouClip system, essentially clever mounting points scattered throughout the car for various accessories. From tablet holders to storage pouches, these little attachment points make the interior genuinely more usable. They even offer a sleep pack that converts the back into a double bed in under 2 minutes, plus an attachable tent. Weekend warrior? This thing's got you covered. While I haven't driven the Bigster yet, Dacia's focus on comfort over sportiness makes perfect sense for a family hauler. The 4x4 version comes with multiple terrain modes and hill descent control, suggesting those adventure-ready looks aren't just for show. Is the Bigster going to out-luxury a BMW X3? Obviously not, but that completely misses the point. What Dacia has created here is an honest, clever family SUV that nails the basics while adding genuinely useful features. It's got the space, the tech that matters, and real versatility when you need it. The 2025 Dacia Bigster arrives in European showrooms next spring, and if they hit that target price point, it could be the smart buy of the year for anyone who wants maximum SUV for their money. It proves that sometimes, focusing on what actually matters to real families is the best luxury of all. So what do you think? Could this Romanian upstart change how we think about affordable SUVs? Drop your thoughts below, and stay tuned for a full driving review once we get behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.